Where do you eat lunch?
I eat in the cafeteria.
What do you have for lunch?
I have a turkey sandwich and some carrots.
Who packs your lunch?
My mom packs my lunch.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school.
What subjects do you like?
I like science and gym.
What do you do after school?
I play soccer in the park.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play Minecraft and Rocket League.
Do you do chores at home?
Yes, I take out the trash.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 9 p.m.
Do you ride the school bus?
No, my dad drops me at school.
Do you get homework every day?
Yes, I get homework every day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat waffles.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have a little brother.
Do you read before bed?
Yes, I read sometimes before bed.
Where do you live?
I live in California.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you watch cartoons?
Yes, I watch them on weekends.
Who helps you with homework?
My sister helps.